Hi everyone, this is Sean from Sean's RC Adventures. Some people have asked me now how I operate both rigs at once. So this is my Spectrum DX7. This is how I operate both rigs at the same time. So if you hold these two buttons right here and turn it on, you will see it's automatically coming on Model 3 because my Model 1 is for a TRX4 Defender, my Model 2 is for two Broncos. So Model 3 I went ahead and programmed in. I have them under an SCX 10 and a D90. One main thing here is I did want to show you that this is on heli. These will not work under heli. You do need to change these to be under airplane. Go back, I'll turn it off. Now when I turn it on, it's automatically set for Model 3. So this is the receiver that I use. As you can see, it's a 6-channel receiver. It's a Spectrum AR620. It is a flight receiver, as ground receivers will not work. It has to be a flight receiver. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll open this up. This is how simple this actually is. I already have one of these installed in my D90. I'll take the cover off, I will show you. I have taken it apart just for this video. One key thing to remember is this receiver is actually in channel 1 and channel 4, which is going to be this stick. Channel 1 will be my throttle, channel 4 is actually my steering, which I'll show you in a moment. Which means on this rig I'm going to put this into channel 2. So this one goes into channel 2, and this goes into channel 3. And plug the battery in. Okay, plug the battery in on this one. Now I'm going to hold both receivers down so they're flashing orange. Then I'm going to pick up my controller. My DX7 may be different than yours, but on the back of mine I actually have a button that I hold. So I hold this bind button, I turn on my controller, both units should be bind. Oh, actually this just fell out of this one. Okay, so now the D90 be forward, reverse. If I push it back just a little, where you can actually see the steering. You see the steering. Left, right, forward, reverse. As you can see on Model 3. I push this one back a little, you can see. So now on this controller, as you can see, it is backwards. So I'm going to have to swap the two controllers around, which means the servo Okay, so hopefully you can see the servo is actually channel 2 and the ESC is channel 3 on this receiver. On this receiver, the ESC is channel 1 and the steering servo is channel 4. So this forward for the D90, backwards for the D90, left, right. Now see, here's the thing. Now, if I push forward, it is actually reversing. And let me see. Yep, so if I go left, it is actually going right. So now what I want to do is press these two buttons. I'm going to go through to this. I'm going to go channel 2, I want to reverse it. And channel 3, I want to reverse it. So now, when I go left and right, forward and reverse. That's simple. 2 trucks. One controller. Thanks everybody.